What's up, YouTube? It is your girl, Lady N, and I'm back again with another YouTube video. So, guys, I hope you are good. Yeah, I hope you will. So today I decided to do a vlog since we Saturday. I was shooting. This is a Saturday vlog. Yeah guys, so I'll be doing a vlog for you. Yeah, so today I'm going to do izinto nje ezifyunyana, but like I'll be vlogging for you, ne? And yeah, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also comment, guys. Please subscribe. Oh guys, road to 50 subscribers, please, road to 50, guys, please. Right now I am going to do my mother khanda. I'm going to relax ikhanda lakhe. So yeah, ngizonibonisa, guys, even though nje ifoni yami i-low iku-19%, but like I think izobamba yabo until ngize ngiqede, and then ngiyayicharge. Yeah, so stay tuned, don't go anywhere.
Clouds rolled in like velvet tides, dreams whisper where secrets hide, a fleeting glance, a slow collide, drift away, let the waves embrace, drift away, find a softer space, drift away, feel the world embrace. Footsteps fall on a golden shore, time dissolves, who's keeping score? Each breath a key to an open door. Close your eyes, hear the colors hum. Every moment speaks, though the world stays numb. Let it echo soft like a muted drum. Drift away, let the waves embrace, drift away, find a softer space,
Yeah, ngisayithenga izinkwa. Yeah, so you come with me, of course. Say Shantana? Nandona? Yeah, ngizokufaka la. Tak. Nandona? Yeah, sure. So, yeah, guys. I will catch you all like mase ngifika emoli cause angeke ngikhona ukubamba ifoni kanje until ngifike emoli cause like akukho right guys, mina ngi-request ngihamba ngeenyawo. So yeah. Guys, I am back. I'm so tired. I was like ilanga la today liyakhathaza kuyashisa. Yabo, so nje so I'm back now. Sengizogeza manje. And then yeah, ngizogeza. I'm going to bath and then I go to my boyfriend. Yeah, basically I meet up with my boyfriend. Yeah, guys, so continue to stay tuned and please don't forget to subscribe, guys. Subscribe. A road to 50 subscribers, please.
Clouds rolled in like velvet tides. Dreams whisper where secrets hide. A fleeting glance, a slow collide. Drift away, let the waves embrace. Drift away.
Done bad thing, but I am so sorry that I didn't tell you mangisasendlini, but I'm on my way now. Ngiyakudam. So yeah guys, continue to stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe, like, share and also comment. Yeah, I am finally arrived. Don't mind my hair guys, Gooby January. Yo, but sengizochacha yabo, so nje mayingajajani. Yeah, so guys, I don't know ukuthi ukuphi brother ngimthola akekho la ekhoneni lakhe, but like ngiyathemba ukuthi uzobuya la ekhona, and then siya la isithe sizoya khona today. So continue to subscribe and stay tuned. Hey guys, I hope you're still good. Njengoba bengisho guys ukuthi khona la siya khona, so ngiyakhona ukuvloga cause like ifoni yami i-low yabo, so ngizoyishiya e-charging, then when I come back ngizobeka la ngigcine khona guys. So continue to stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. Also please,
Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Keep on liking, keep on sharing. Ooh, why is it so like, why are you so? Okay, let me come inside, sorry. Alright, sorry guys about the lighting. As I was saying guys, please subscribe and keep on liking, and we still got the show going on. Like, yo, 5 episodes now of it.
please,
Yeah,
guys,
so like
watch the show.
watch what's popping and the Zaki our feed. So it's always
Yeah.
about what's popping. Yazi show the show.
What's
Yabo?
popping?
Oh yeah.
So yeah, guys, ngizoqhubeka ngigcine khona njengoba ngishilo, so stay tuned. We are back. Yeah guys, we are back. So guys, I think this is the end of this vlog guys. Don't come for me, I know I'm like everything I did today. It's like today like being an card plus ifuna like bengibele ngikhiphe charging ngifake also. Yeah, plus ne-battery guys ngiyibhayisile today, but I hope you will enjoy our vlog guys, even though it's short, but I'll make it up to you guys next time. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and also comment guys, and also please watch our show What's Popping guys, episode episode 5.
5, yeah.
So please guys, watch the show. I know this is solid, and continue to subscribe guys. Road to 50 subscribers.
Oh yes guys, so mbona guys to the next country. Now that is the song. Why is the camera so bright? Yeah, so guys, as I was saying, season 1 it's a song, you know. So today's vlog was a bit hectic just to do like a bit long vlog, but it's okay. Sisazobuya again. Yeah, so this is just an additional content, you know?
Yes guys.
Yeah.
So yeah, bye guys.